guys, it's 10 January today and David and I have made the executive decision to go to River Safari even though it is raining. Partly because we can't refund or change the ticket dates, so we are just gonna go ahead today. Let's go. How do you all like my new hair? It's the first time I have a middle parting. I look like a grandma.
Okay, wait. It means my shoes and pants have to wear. Fuck them.
We are completely overprepared. Probably 100% sheltered. But here we are.
Always use protection, guys. I thought it was a rock rat.
We were supposed to find a salamander.
I found it in 5 seconds.
What the fuck, guys? It's a fucking salamander.
I shit you not. I was wondering, no, I actually paused here for 5 seconds. I was wondering, is this like rock or is this a fucking salamander?
Oh my god. Hello. Bro, this is like as far as me. If it looks like I just woke up, it's because I did. It is currently Monday of week 1 of semester 2. So it's my first day of school. And yeah. Right now I'm just studying some Japanese. Yeah, my goal is to not SU Japanese. That has never happened before. Because I took a semester of Japanese, I'm quite rusty right now. And my goal is to kind of be 1 week ahead every week, just so that I don't ever fall back, you know. And every time it's during lecture, it's kind of a review for me. I really hope I stick to it. You can watch me study right now if you're interested. This is my breakfast. I have homemade granola that I'm eating with yogurt and some fresh fruit. And I have a hard-boiled egg, and this is some sort of thing that David's mom made yesterday. Today, because it's my first day of school, I'm trying to like stay ahead, right? I wrote like an entire to-do list, bro. I mean, at least for today. Hopefully I get to it. I'm gonna finish this bit of Japanese before I go exercise. Okay. Hello? Oh. Y'all, it's like raining once again, so I'm thinking of making granola. Try putting this, and oh my god, I didn't put like that much. It's just like 10 grams, but the fuck. You're gonna think it's burnt. It's so crumbly though. It's a dog. And today I'm gonna do something really fun, which is hike with David with a surprise. He knows what we're gonna do. And yeah, I'm gonna do like a small ass picnic. Yeah, and then I'm going bouldering in the afternoon, so it's a very active day. I don't know whether I will survive, but let's give. Anyway, this few days is gonna be kind of exciting. I have my driving test tomorrow, which I honestly am surprisingly not nervous for, but I'm not super confident. It is maybe why like I'm not nervous, because I have like very low expectations.
Look at how hot it is. You can feel how hot it is
From
through
this video. It's so bloody
So
hot.
hot.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Freaking Malaysia. But it's actually just a board.
Maybe you are in Malaysia. But the demand of it is like that. How does this work? Anyone got instruction sheets?
Yeah, this is
Oh my god, this is instruction. Okay, nice. Okay, 第一步配菜
instruction manual. Okay, this is what it looks like. David fucked up.
Okay, wait, I think I need to pour the rest of the water inside here to that 注水位.
Oh, I can't see what I'm filming. So bright. Can? Okay, that's
This that's why I mixed up. Then you put the white one on top, like this. Then this hole is to let the steam out, and then you cover
good. Oh.
like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this at the side because I'm quite sure I know what's gonna happen next.
Okay, open this. Wow!
$8, not worth it at all.
Okay, stop. Shh. It's the most beautiful cookie in the world. Where's the sun? Let me find the sun.
Be stable. If not, I'm gonna drop the. I'm gonna drop. To my mirror house better.
Of course, this has like
Nothing. Go. It's damn hard, right? Whoa. Ooh.
Is it done? This
Yeah,
one's done.
I think it's done. So.
So freaking hot.
I heard this is the best mala in Clementi.
快点 When they say clementi mala. Thoughts?
Flavor 8 out of 10. Ambience 10 out of 10.
Guys, I'm in class. I'm on my way to my driving test and my brother is driving me. Thank you very much. Guess who is qualified driving license? Qualified driver now. Still a fat ass nap, which is why this is happening. And I'm studying Japanese again. Sleeping is white. And I'm gonna have dinner now, so catch y'all later. Hi everyone, so it's currently 9 a.m. in the morning and I just woke up. This is my breakfast. I have hard-boiled egg, pineapple tart, Greek yogurt with some banana. Okay, I decided I'll make a cup of lemon water every day. It's gonna just refill like this. Okay, I think I should share with you some insights that I thought about this day about what constitutes healthy eating. So as a society, like collectively, we are moving towards the right direction, but there's still like a lot of contradictory information. So like on one hand you have a camp of like dieters, and on the other hand you have like intuitive eating, like people who really advocate for intuitive eating. And I think one day that's that's the place that I want to be at. But sometimes like it's very hard to eat intuitively because sometimes your body doesn't even know what's intuitive anymore. Like because like you've been in this cycle of like restricting and binging, and you have a lot of food rules, right? Your brain just kind of gets messed up. Like what actually is inherently intuitive? And I don't know, my brain has this weird thing when like I'm full, right? It makes me go eat more. It's completely not intuitive eating lah. Like I think one thing that I've been mistaking is like intuitive eating, meaning like if I want to eat something then I go eat it. I mean that is partly true, but I think intuitive eating is listening to how your body reacts, like not your brain, you know, but like your stomach, whether you're full enough to digest it, whether you feel bloated. Like I've been listening more to like what my brain is thinking instead of my stomach, which is not intuitive at all. My goal is to kind of just really eat more intuitively, and instead of having food rules, right? Food rules coming from a place of like, oh, I should not eat carbs, should not eat something. Think I should like think about it more positively. So like having positive reinforcement. For instance, something that I want to do is reduce my bloating, right? So yeah, I want to drink more water so that like I can digest better, because my stomach is really bad at digesting food, and eat healthier things. Not saying that like I should cut out like snacks completely, but even if I do, because I feel like that's impossible, but like try to eat more like healthy snacks. Yes. What else? Eat what's good for me. So eat food for its nutritional value. Eat foods that don't make me bloat. Yeah, please join me on my journey. I'm so tired from writing, guys. Like, cannot concentrate. And I think partly it's because I haven't written an essay since like last semester. I'm gonna start a YouTube channel.
Hi, nice to meet you. Please don't make match. Whoa. Oh no! Don't let go! Don't go down!
Golden hole. Hi. Hello. Once again, I didn't end my video, but this is the end of the video. It's like currently end of March, and I filmed everything in January, so time really flies. But this year has been treating me pretty well. I mean, last year was pretty good to me too, even though there was COVID. So not much to complain about. Hopefully I will get to filming and editing more videos soon. I'm just shy lah, okay. My 10 followers. Thank you for helping me reach this momentous milestone. I'll bake a cake, okay? I'll bake a cake for 10 subscribers, and I will film a video on that. So thank you so much for the support so far. Hope you all have a great day.